Hey MSA, welcome to second semester. Let's do this thing. So this week we are going to do a mini unit on graphing, and you guys are going to get into quadratic equations by the end of the week. So Monday and Tuesday you're going to do a Nearpod that kind of goes over a bunch of the important vocabulary and concepts that we're going to need to be using for the graphing unit. Then we'll review what a direct relationship is. When one thing goes up, the other one also goes up. Then we're going to talk about organizing data on Wednesday and Thursday, or on Wednesday morning. Sorry, I guess I could delete the other days. And then we're going to rush a little bit through this stuff so we can fit in this. The quadratic equations is the extension for this unit. So we're going to do kind of like 2 days worth of stuff in one day, and then we'll jump into that on Friday. So that's the plan. We'll see you guys there.